This is Russ Chad, ProSteamUK, and this is the full video of a Karndean floor which I'm about to restore. We're going to walk through and you'll be able to see some of the scratches and things on the surface, on the wear layer. This is the main, this will be a traffic area from the garden, so you'd expect to see quite a lot of wear, scratches and things in that area there. And this is an office, so you might be able to see scuffs and scratches in this area here. You get reflection from the outside there. There are some scratches, as you can see there. And the PU sealer we're going to use should mask a lot of the scratches and things. It unfortunately won't mask dents. A few here. The fridge freezer lives here, and unfortunately there are some dents here caused by the feet of the fridge freezer. Anyway, let's get on with this. Let's get the floor cleaned and then get it ready for sealing. Right, so this is the Karndean floor complete. We have applied 2 coats of specialist product, which is dry enough to stand on when I'm wearing overshoes. But as you can see, you remember how that floor looked before? Got the reflection from the window there, and it did look, it was badly scratched. Okay, so with this particular product, it will mask the scratches and the scuffs, and it will give your antique or Karndean floor a new lease of life. It really does breathe life into the floor. This particular finish is a matte finish, which I think looks classy, and there's nothing worse than seeing a shiny floor. Really, this type of floor should not be shiny. It should just be a natural matte kind of satin finish. But there you go. I think there were some scratches around this area here. Difficult to see. I can tell you now that they've pretty much all gone.